Hello everyone, welcome to Vocab by iQuanta. I am AKANKSHA and I am here with the root word of the day. So today's root is EU. EU means well, good, pleasant or improve. It is generally used as a prefix in many words, so let us discuss some word having this root EU. The first word is eulogy. It is to say good words about something or to praise somebody who is dead. The next word is euphony. It is pleasant sound or something which is melodious. The third word is very important, that is euphemism. It is a way to say unpleasant things in pleasant way. The fourth and the common word is euphoria. It is intense happiness. The fifth word is eutrophy. It is good nutrition. The sixth and the important word which is asked in majority of the examination is utopia. It is a place where everything is good or perfect. The next word is eupepsia. It is good digestion. The last and the important word is eugenics. It is study of genetics or hereditary. The last and the important word is eugenics. It is study of genetics or hereditary. I hope all these words will be very useful for your CAT 2022 exam. For more such content, stay tuned with iQuanta. Thank you so much.